welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited for today's video. It is a full apartment tour. I should have done this video probably about 4 months ago, but I didn't. That's okay. I just wanted to give you guys a full spectrum picture of what our space looks like and some of the ideas and projects we have upcoming to make our space more of what we feel is our style and what we want our space to be and feel like. So we're really excited. I'll kind of explain a couple things really quick. Some disclaimers. I mentioned in the video going more minimal or low waist, and I'll explain to you more in the video what we're trying to do in order to get there. And then also I will be doing a plant tour next week, so I mentioned that a few times in the video as well, but you obviously see on my plans that I'm really excited. So yes, I can't wait. I hope you guys like the video, and like the video, comment if you guys have any questions, and yeah, make sure to subscribe. Hope you enjoy. All right, y'all. So when you walk into the house, we are going to start on the right. And as you guys have seen before, this is the desk area, get ready area, and the little zen area. Very, very simple in here. Sorry, the lighting is terrible. There it goes. It's adjusting. Really not much to see in here. I've already shown you guys the desk area, so I'm not gonna go through any of those drawers, but I did wanna touch on these closets. So in this closet, this is what it looks like. We have some desk stuff here, so like office stuff. We have a printer, a label maker, a paper shredder, and then a couple other items and some awards there, and then some Christmas stuff. Is our only 2 storage bins that we have, which I'm very, very happy with. We used to have so many, we didn't know what to do with them. This is just our Christmas decor and then some miscellaneous items, or like mementos, if you will. So that's pretty much all. There's a couple things I can see that we can get rid of down here already, which I'm pretty excited about. It's just crazy how you purge so much stuff, and then once you look at your area, you can see more things you guys can get rid of. And then on this side, this is stuff we've already gone through to give away. This is definitely a giveaway, some nail stuff, and there's some giveaway items up here, and then just storage stuff. I'm trying to figure out a different way to organize this to where it's easier for me to grab this little backpack and those wallets, and there's like a couple purses up there. So once you come out of this room, if you guys look forward, this is the laundry room. It's very, very simple. There's not much going on. Obviously, it's a laundry room. You do laundry there. But we have this like little hanging system and bench to where we put some of our uniforms. And then we just have 2 little baskets up here to hold our water jugs. And then our cat litter box situation. And we just like this more because it looks a lot better. And it's easier to clean up because in here catches the litter first before it comes out here, so it just minimizes the mess, and we like that a lot better. Next, we have our hallway bathroom. So this apartment is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. We are very, very blessed. And this is the hallway bathroom that everybody usually goes into. I'm thinking about changing this curtain. It just kind of has like this weird off yellow color, and it kind of reminds me of like pee, if that's really gross, but it does. So I'm thinking about getting rid of that. This is our little fern plant that did not make it, so I will be doing a plant care / plant video next week, and we'll talk about it. This is a fake plant we're gonna have to get rid of because we don't have any other ones other than I think 1 more that we kind of looked over. This is underneath the sink. These are just items that we are slowly but surely trying to work through and get rid of. Some things we could probably give away, and other stuff we definitely want to keep and just use. And then this is pretty much the closet for all things that we hoard or we're trying to use up or get rid of. Like I said in my intro, I definitely want to try to go more low and zero waste. That will definitely be a whole different type of conversation and journey, but part of that for me is definitely not just getting rid or giving things away, but actually using them up. So these are all hand soaps here. The reason why I'm not getting rid of any of them is because we actually wash our hands. So instead of giving like a whole jug to somebody else and then potentially having to buy more sooner than I would like, we're just gonna keep them, slowly use them, slowly get rid of them, and it should be like a good day. And then I have the Swiffer stuff that as soon as I'm done with, I'm gonna get rid of the actual mop itself. And yep, just extra towels. And there's some, I think, some sheets up here. All right, so here's the hall closet. This is one thing that we go into quite a lot, but we usually don't grab jackets out of here. So we have our little basket for our vacuum, which we absolutely love. It's a Dyson cordless. I think it's like the animal one, like V7 or something. Our toolbox, and then we have a cat stroller that needs to go because they just don't like it. And then these are all of our jackets that, not even including sweaters, just our jackets. We need to go through these because I think we have like 10 black ones that we don't use on a day-to-day basis that could probably go. And then one cat carrier, and then like a little picnic basket. And that's pretty much it for the closet. And here's just a little decor that's on the walls here. This is my mother-in-law actually found this on the side of the road, so that was pretty cool. And then we just hung a macrame from it. Just a little more decor there. And I'm gonna wait for the kitchen and the living room just because they're my favorite part. And we're gonna go ahead and go into the bedroom. So this is what we call the master bedroom. Oh, hi, Mark. This is like the biggest room, but the funny thing about this is that our bathroom is actually the smallest of the whole apartment, which is fine. It actually just works out in our favor anyways, but it's very, very simple in here. Things used to be a lot different, but we're slowly just trying to move things around. Our plan in this room is to actually, within time, get rid of this bed and then these two side tables, just because they're so heavy and bulky and they take up so much room. And with us being active duty military, we tend to move a lot. So to be able to move all of this stuff, it's just gonna be easier if we get something maybe a little more lighter and smaller. So that's way down the road. I don't even know how long, but that's just our plan for that. And then I wanted to touch on these really, really quick. These are from the Juno Studio on Instagram, and I absolutely love them. It's kind of, I don't know if it's clay or what it is, but it's so gorgeous. And then I'll show you the other one on my side of the bed. And then this is like the other one on my side. It's a cute macrame with a crystal in it, and it is so gorgeous. And then I'll show you the last one in the kitchen. And then here we have our little zen area. We just have like a cute little chair, a snake plant, and some plants up here, which like I said, I will be doing a plant video next week to kind of talk about all the plants that I have, and then some plant care if you guys need it. And then we have the closet. I'm not gonna go too in depth in the closet because you guys have already seen it 100 times. The only thing that I will say is something that will be happening later down the road is when I depart the military, probably within the next year, I'll be getting rid of a lot of my stuff. So all of this is military stuff, and then once I'm out, we'll be doing another switch slash declutter of all that goodness. And here's our bathroom. It's very, very simple. Yes, the squatty potty, if you don't have one, they're phenomenal. Or get yourself a stool, whatever, they're great. The bathroom is really, really simple. We have an aloe plant up there with like a little shelving system, and then honestly just clean, decluttered. Under here though, this will probably be another video if I do a bathroom, declutter all the bathrooms. This will be in there. We have like a lot of face stuff. Yeah, I don't even know what's in here. But this will probably be another video, all of our hair care and stuff. All right, y'all, this is my favorite area in the house. This and the living room, I just absolutely love it. We actually moved these plants up here yesterday and took down some farmhouse decor that was here and up here, and I am absolutely loving the way that it looks. I think it just looks so brought together. This was the third piece from the Juno Studio that I got recently. I think I got it this week, and it is so freaking cute. The normal macrame color, some pink, and then I guess it's like rustic burnt orange, and then it looks like a little arch, whatever it is called, with some leaves on it, and it is so gorgeous. So I will link her down below. Like I said, it's the Juno Studio, so go check her out. And then we have our little coffee bar area, obviously with some plants and just some color. I got this tea organizer on Amazon. I will link that. I absolutely love it. I actually have been drinking more tea now that I can visually see all of them. I used to have it in just this like jar that I couldn't see it, but now I use it way more. coffee. Oh, I wanted to touch on this really quick. This is from Urban Outfitters, and if you guys can see the actual design in it, it's like women, like the women, like women's bodies. And I got it on International Women's Day, so I thought it was perfect, and it's so freaking cute. Love that. And then here is the living room. So we have our little macrame. I'm obsessed with macrame in just general. Our macrame, this is for essential oils. So this is where we kind of go for all of our essential oil needs. And then just some plants. We have some ukuleles, some instruments on the wall. And like I said before, plants are kind of what overtook decor for me. So instead of having a bunch of decor all over the place, we just have a lot of plants. This is my favorite area in the room. Just kind of like the corner I go to kind of relax, or if I want to edit, I'll go in this corner, and yeah, it's flippin' awesome. And then this, if you guys saw, I think 2 videos ago, sharing the dresser video, I talked about the wine rack we were getting rid of and the dresser, and then this is what we got instead, which I think just goes perfectly with the flow of the apartment. It just looks so clean and I absolutely love it. And then I just wanted to tell you guys really quick, this is something I actually created on my own just with clippings from my other plants, so I'll definitely go into that next video. But yes, I love it so much in here. It's my favorite area in the house. Okay, yeah, so second to last, we have the guest bedroom. This is all the farmhouse decor we cooked down this week. We're gonna go ahead and probably sell that. And then this is just like a quick little tour of this room. I did want to touch on the closet because there is so much in here. Our cousin is deployed, and he decided that he was going to store a bunch of stuff in here, which is great. When he comes back, this will be cleared out. I'll probably do like a shoe / coat declutter and have to go through all of these again. I know we don't wear all those. So yeah, this is what the closet looks like. I'm just being honest, we're not perfect. There's still things that we have to get rid of. And then our third bathroom, very simple, not much going on. But see, as you can see, our bathroom in the master is probably the smallest bathroom. And then we have another closet in here. And last but not least, this is the outside. I'm not gonna show you a bunch of stuff just because of, like, you know, security purposes. But this is our little patio set we have. And then I think those are plants. They're dead now. Oh, that's a fake plant. I didn't even see that out here. So we gotta go ahead and get rid of that and fix everything, and then maybe fix these lights. But it's just too windy here to really secure them. I tried everything and it just didn't work. Hi, bud. All done. All right, everybody, so that was the tour, and I'm really excited with the space already, and so excited for all of the projects and things we have upcoming. Next week will be our plant tour and plant care, so if you guys are interested, definitely come back next week for a new video. If you liked the video, please like and comment. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of our little journey. That would be awesome. And yes, I hope to see you next week for a new video. Bye.